Greetings, KLE family. My name is Martha Jaureguizar, and I am the very proud principal of Kendale Lakes Elementary School. We take our responsibility to educate your total child to heart. We value the faith and trust you have in us to provide a nurturing, family-oriented environment. As we focus on increasing academic standards mastery, our primary responsibility is to ensure the safety and well-being of all our stakeholders in the schoolhouse. Ensure you are completing the daily at-home pre-screening before your child comes to school. We must all work together to eliminate having to quarantine students or employees. At the elementary level, they depend on us. Please review the monthly calendar and communication we send home to stay connected. Ensure your child's emergency contact card is up to date, and if necessary, that someone is available to pick up your child from school during school hours. The KLE family strives each day to enable all students to succeed socially, emotionally, academically, and civically. Given the significant impact the pandemic has had on students' development, there is much work to be done in order to positively impact the extreme social and academic learning deficits we are seeing. I know you will join us in this important work, and tonight's open house is vital to our school goals. We are grateful for your participation and need your help to get our kiddos to where they need to be. We are very appreciative of our amazing teachers and staff members who have given tirelessly of themselves and continue to do so. Our work is not easy, but we take great pride in serving our school family. I know this year will demand even more from all of us to help our students improve where they have fallen behind and ultimately succeed at the grade level they are in now. Tonight, teachers will share information on our expectations for academics, behavior, and home learning. They will also share important resources we utilize to support our students. If your child gets quarantined, they will advise on how we will remain connected for your child to receive instruction. Please ensure you have access to the parent portal through your special parent PIN number. This is where you may sign out a laptop if needed for instructional purposes or if quarantined. Using the technology software programs we provide through each child's student portal is vital to their academic growth. It is expected that they consistently complete sessions assigned to them to target necessary skills for mastery. We are here to provide you with progress updates on how your child is performing. You may also access the electronic gradebook through the parent or student portal. We will also help by reaching out to you if we feel your child would benefit from extra tutoring or enrichment, and possible with special parent trainings too. Our team knows what it takes to truly succeed in school and beyond. We will all have to work harder than ever before. Setting up routines for each day, including arriving to school on time, being respectful of others, and completing classwork and home learning is essential. Thank you once again for your faith and trust in us, and may we all be here for each other as we help our students excel beyond the schoolhouse and crush expected statistics to reach their full potential. On behalf of the KLE family, I send you our heartfelt love, continued blessings, and prayers for wellness. Thank you.